Hi everyone, welcome to Downtown Libertyville, and we are at Keller Williams North Shore West, one of the top real estate agents in Downtown Libertyville, serving the surrounding market. We are 180 agents strong and super excited to share a little bit about who we are. My name is Kimberly Zahan. I'm the team leader over here at Keller Williams, and we love the fact that we're here to serve the community. That's actually a part of our culture. Our goal is to make sure that they are armed with all of the technology, resources, education, and training to make sure whatever your dream is comes true. If you're looking to buy, if you're looking to sell, if you're looking to invest, or you have a luxury property, we are here to take care of all of your needs. But one of the really special things about us here is our office is filled with beautiful space that you can use when you're engaging with an agent to help you with any of your real estate needs. So I'd love today to give you a little bit of a tour. Today we are actually standing in our conference room, which is spectacular. I love coming in here and seeing our agents with clients in the community, talking about what is important to them, whether they're buying and selling, and seeing relationships built forever. But I'd also like to show you some of the other space, so follow me. So one of the things we did when we built this space is we wanted to make it extremely inviting. And what we did was pretty spectacular. So we actually built a kitchen, and the kitchen is lovely. We actually call it the Kelly Cafe, and it is just like home. And it's just a wonderful space to meet up and not feel like you're in a very sterile environment. Some of the other spaces I'm going to take you to. This wall is pretty spectacular. These are all of the agents that have actually produced at a very high level inside of a year. And we call this our 100% Club. And we're so proud of all of them. And you may even recognize some of the faces on the wall. We have offices that our agents house at here. We also have our command center. This is actually where Christina works with helping agents, and we have brochures being made in here. Everything that you need is on site and available for all of our agents and our clients' resources to be used. A little conversational area, which we often have people come and visit. They're either waiting for agents, but more importantly, having great conversations about what's important to them inside of the market. Our reception desk, most often used when people come in to drop off earnest money, and and we are all about family. There's little Nico in there. He's looking a little bashful right now. But anyways, I just wanted to give you a little glimpse into who we are and what we have to offer, but anyone is welcome to come in and visit at any time. We're located at 350 North Milwaukee, and we look forward to you coming and visiting whenever you want. We're open 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, and you can always get to us by appointment. Thanks again. We'd love to connect you with an agent to help you buy, sell, or invest in real estate. Have a wonderful day.